believe this is just set from the last time. The last time I modified my files, my on-demand ones. So this is going to tell me, first I want to just see if there's anything about frame size. No, so that's only an hour thing. So what does it actually get used in? Actual decode start. It's used in AMT. I don't quite understand this statement. Okay, this is just leading silence. Let's comment that. Find the number of samples for the leading silence. Alright. Is that the only place it's used? And then you set that to actual decode start. That might be it. It's only used for that leading silence, because actual decode start doesn't get used anywhere else. Looks like I'm doing lots of stuff I don't need to. Like this variable is totally useless. Well, it was for debugging purposes. Let's leave it there for now. We'll clean up later. Alright. Wait. What happened to that frame? Alright. Huh. We just ignore this one. We use this one. No, we don't ignore it. We take it into account. Hack to get rounding to work to nearest frame size, since DTS isn't exact. Now this is some weird magic numbers going on. 0.52. Looks really sketchy. Ah, that's just so it rounds up, instead of just truncating. What happens if you just don't do this step? Frame size divide. This is so hard to read. Frame size divided by 2. So you find the average between what you think the initial start is, and that is the sample rate times the start time times, okay, so that's just number of samples times the time base, because DTS, yeah, it's in that weird format. So that's just the number of samples we should start at. Hack to get rounding to work to nearest frame size. So why would you want to do that? DTS is not exact. This is probably related to the seeking. I believe this happens every time you seek. No, this only happened at the very beginning. No, this happens every time that you get a valid stream context. Interesting. I see. Alright, we'll just Watch this. I'm guessing things are aligned well for wave, and they just set that to 0 because it doesn't matter. Yeah, let me just try that. Are we using those frame size anywhere else? No. Why am I doing that? I could just... It's nice that you can have terminals within Emacs, but they're not as flexible. So I still find myself Control-Z-ing out. Water time. Do not recover. Make sure this stuff still works. It should. This adds valid frame size. Okay, next one is those waves that were crashing us. So that was in this guy and this. Alright. Let's make sure this sounds good for a couple seconds. I think this is looking alright, because I don't hear a lot of weird glitches and pops. Ends are always important. Now, next test is to do the same thing. And seek it. That looked good. Wish we had a longer one. We do have some really long AACs. So that's the largest. No. Yeah, from my iPhone app. So like this guy, 15 megs, but look how long it is. Good way to check if the seeking is working. It looks okay. I don't know, I mean, we gotta... But I don't see, like, any weird... Waveform looks very continuous. Now... we can do something weird. Try a few more. Here's some MP3s that are actually waves. I don't know what will happen. Yeah, it looks like it's not dealing with it. Looks like... Oh, you know what? I just have those... Oh shit. This thing can't even respond. Yeah, I gotta kill that because of the printf statements. Looks like it's processing it. but look at that. Look at the speed of that printf statement. Alright, so what we can do is kill-9 10677. Yep. There's a 32-bit input. That's weird. I want to make sure that works for sure. So what we can do here is, but then again, yeah, we weren't printfing all of those. Very surprised that that one was. Okay. Don't recover. So what was that again? I believe that was in downloads. And then fake. This one's actually a wave. Oh, okay, it handles. Great. We have the same file encoded as a MP3 but titled as a wave. That went alright too. Oh, it's a different file. Big deal. Alright, so this is looking alright. There's probably a bunch of problems, but I think it's at least okay to submit to the list as a patch at this point, and we can iron those out as they come up. This is probably going to have to stay experimental for a while, but it's pretty cool. Right now I don't have to wait for those. I think we can even do like video because it's FFmpeg, so that's kind of cool. Let me put some fishmans on just for fun. Yeah, and I can stop and start. Can't open yet while something's going on. So I think we can even do video now. I haven't tried that out, but do I have any video? Yeah, here is a very old Japanese drama. I don't know if it'll handle it. Apparently it won't. Oh, it does. Huh. I wonder if seeking works. It's just really large, this thing. Okay, so let's get to a good seeking border right here. This is what I want to test. It sounded continuous. It looks like across the border. Alright, so this is actually a video file, but we can extract the audio track with FFmpeg. And now it's working on demand, so that's great. So this would have taken, what, a minute or two to import? Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna make sure these log messages are silenced because we don't need all these TS not matching